Deep in the heart of Texas, near the state capitol in Austin, where service and sacrifice converge, stands the beacon of justice and tireless advocacy for America's warriors. Welcome to the Central Texas location of the Law Office of Will M. Helixon, home of the dedicated Warrior Law Team. Strategically located just minutes from Fort Cavazos, our Harker Heights office proudly represents service members stationed across Texas. From Fort Cavazos to Joint Base San Antonio, encompassing Fort Sam Houston, Brooks Army Medical Center, and Lackland and Randolph Air Force bases, to the surrounding Dyess, Goodfellow, and Shepherd Air Force bases, we're here for you. At the Law Office of Will M. Helixon, we specialize in protecting those who fight for our freedoms. Whether facing investigations by command, law enforcement, or the Inspector General, confronting adverse administrative actions like GOMOR and reprimand rebuttals, evaluation appeals, and separation boards, or fighting for your hard-earned VA benefits, our warrior advocates stand ready to fight for you. We go toe-to-toe with overzealous and specialized military prosecutors, armed with over a century of combined military law experience, delivering the aggressive advocacy you deserve. We've served and deployed beside you in active duty, the reserves, and National Guard. And now we fight to defend you from the same commanders with whom you've served with honor and distinction. Your battle is our battle, and with the Warrior Law Team, you're never alone. Our mission is simple: protect your rights, defend your career, and secure your future. With the Warrior Law Team, you're not just hiring a military law firm, you're gaining a team of forward-thinking, combat-tested warrior advocates dedicated to your success. The Law Office of Will M. Helixon, defending America's warriors. You defend the nation, we defend you.